Jai Hind, dear students. Today we are moving to the last areas of the first chapter related to admission, reconstitution of partnership, admission of a partner. Admission of a partner, we are moving to wind up today with the preparation of final accounts from different concepts related to admission of a partner. So what we have to do in this chapter? In this area, we have to prepare the complete final accounts to find out the financial position at the time of admission of a partner. So we have to prepare revaluation account. The calculation of new ratio and sacrificing ratio is there. Preparation of final account is there. Final balance sheet is there. My dear students, in this video, you can watch 3 different problems with the solution to know about how to prepare the different accounts at the time of admission of a partner. So it's very important for you to prepare for the board exam. There will be definitely on 8-mark question, only one 8-mark question will be there from the preparation of final accounts related to admission of a partner. So we have to prepare well to perform maximum mark in that exam. So please watch up to the end of this video. You will get definitely clear-cut picture regarding the different adjustments, how to record all that items in the accounts. So we are moving to the first problem related to the preparation of final. Here A and B are partners. They are sharing profit in 2:1. They are admitting a new partner. Up to that time of the admission of a new partner, the balance sheet is like this. On the asset side, cash in hand, cash at bank, sundry debtors, stock, plant and machinery, building is there. Also liabilities include bills payable, sundry creditors, outstanding expense, and the opening capital of the partners. C is admitted as a new partner into the firm, and at the time of his admission, the balance sheet is above said, and following items we have to adjust. C will bring 1 lakh as capital and 60,000 as his share of goodwill, and his share of profit is 1/4. So out of 4, C will get 1 share. Plant is to be appreciated on 1,20,000. The value of plant is increased. So we have to differentiate it with the previous value. Previous year only 1 lakh is there. Now it is. You have to look at this. Only 1 lakh is there. Now it is increased to 1,20,000. That means 20,000 is increased. We have to show it on the revaluation. And the value of building is also appreciated. 10% appreciation. About what? The 10% of 1,50,000 is appreciated. Appreciated means increased. Stock is found overvalued. Stock is found overvalued by 4,000. That means actual value will be less than that. So we have to go to the previous 40,000 is the stock value. Definitely it will be 36,000. 4,000 they are overvalued. Overvalued means more than the value. So that will be adjusted in the revaluation debit side. A provision also to be created. Provision creation means liability increasing. So we have to show it in the debit side of revaluation. Creditors are unrecorded to the extent of 1,000. There is a unrecorded creditors. We have to adjust that also in the revaluation. So first of all, we have to prepare the revaluation account. The unrecorded liabilities are recorded on the debit side of revaluation. Dear students, please look at the preparation of revaluation. So the plant and machinery is increased, appreciated from 1 lakh to 1,20,000. So you will get 20,000 increase in the credit side. Also building appreciated 10% of the 10% of 1,50,000. So the answer is on 15,000. Stock in hand overvalued. Actual value is 36,000, but it is overvalued 4,000 by valued. So that 4,000 indicates what is the increased value. We have to deduct it. So 4,000 asset decreased. Then provision for doubtful, that a new provision created out of debtors. What is the debtors value? Debtors value is 60,000, out of which 5% we have to take. 5% provision is created. That amount is 60,000 into 5 percentage 30,000. Creditors on the value of creditors, unrecorded creditors is on 1000, must be debited. That indicates increase in the value of creditors. And total of the account is 35,000. Difference we will get 35,000 minus 8,000. We will get 20,000, 27,000. It will be shared by all the partners in their old ratio 2:1. 27,000 will be shared by all the partners A and B in their old profit sharing ratio. So please remember, in this way we will find out the revaluation profit and it will be transferred to partners capital account. Please, we are moving to the preparation of capital account. There we have to write the opening balance of all the partners. Opening balance of all the partners that will be available in the question A. A is capital 1,80,000. B is capital 1,50,000. That we have to bring in the new partners capital account. Also, we have to write what is the additional capital. What is the capital brought by new partner, that is 1 lakh. It will be available in the additional information. Look at here. C will bring on. So the capital amount is transferred here. Then we have to transfer the amount of goodwill brought by the new partner. C will bring 60,000. That is available in the question. The goodwill brought by the new partner, is share of goodwill will be transferred here in their sacrificing ratio. So you have to find out the sacrificing ratio. Please check this question by doing yourself. Goodwill will be shared in their sacrificing ratio 2:1. 60,000 will be shared between all the partners. You know very well, premium for goodwill accounted to all the partners capital. And also we have to transfer the revaluation profit from revaluation account. You know very well, this 18,000 and 19,000 will be transferred here. 9,000 will be transferred here. So remember that. No other adjustment is here because it's a simple problem of preparation of final account. Find out the total of each partner and write here by balance. Two balance carried down. 2,38,000, 1,79,000, and also total the account, close it. So in this way we have to prepare the partners capital account. Hope it is very clear for you. We are moving to the last section of this problem, balance sheet. While preparing the balance sheet, we have to be very careful. Cash in hand, already if there is no change in some items, we can take directly all that items. Please look at this question. Cash in hand, we can directly take that item because 10,000, there will be no change. But we have to compare the value of bank. 40,000 here, but in the final balance sheet we have taken 2 lakh. So cash in hand we have taken from the balance sheet, old balance sheet 10,000. But there is a change for the cash at bank. It is from 40,000, it is changed, it is increased to 2 lakh. How it will increase? How it will increase? That we can find out like that. Capital brought by the new partner 1 lakh plus his share of goodwill 60,000 plus the amount of balance available in bank. So 40,000 the bank amount plus the 1 lakh new partner's capital, also the amount of goodwill brought by the new partner 60,000. So total 2 lakh. And there is a change in debtors value. Actual value 60,000, but new provision is created. You can look at the revaluation account debit side, 3,000 new provision, it will be deducted. So 57,000. There is no change in, there is a change in stock, isn't it? 4,000 is overvalued, so we have to deduct it. 40,000 minus 4,000, 36,000. Plant and machinery, it is increased from 1 lakh to 1,20,000. How the 20,000 comes? You please go through the revaluation. There is an increase of 20,000, 1,20,000. Building also previous value 1,50,000 plus 1,65,000 we will get 1,50,000 plus 15,000 we will get 1,65,000. There is no change for bills payable, but there is an increase in creditors 59,000. Increase in creditors 1,000. It will be added to the old figure. Also the outstanding expense, no change for that. Here we have to write three partners values. We have to write three partners values. From where we have to write this value? From the balance sheet. These figures we have to take into the balance sheet of final firm. Final year, okay. So 1,79,000, 1 lakh. Total 5,17,000. When we add, we will get the total 5,88,000. So dear students, please solve this problem by working at home. So it will be very clear for you. And we are moving to the next problem, having more adjustments. I hope it is very clear. Don't forget to practice this problem at home because it is one of the simplest problem that you can may face in board exam also. Dear students, we are moving to the next problem. Here we will learn the preparation of final accounts with more adjustments. So we have to be very careful, okay? So from this problem you can understand what is the position. Three partners are there already. 11:7:2 is their profit sharing ratio. Please go through the different items appearing in the asset side and the balance sheet. We have to look at the additional information to know about what is happening to the firm at the time of admission of the new partner. So on 1/4/2018, Aditya is admitted as a new partner for 1/5 share in the profit with a capital of 4,50,000 and a necessary amount of his share of goodwill. So you have to note the point, amount of goodwill is not mentioned here. But you can find out the value of the goodwill we have to calculate from the firm as per 2.5 years of purchase for the average profit of last 2 years. 3 years profit is there, 6 lakh, 2 lakh, 6 lakh. But we have to take the last 2 years profit to find out the amount of goodwill. And that amount of goodwill will be the firm's goodwill. From that amount of goodwill, we have to find out the share of goodwill for the new partner. Furniture is valued at 2,40,000 and it will be taken, furniture of 2,40,000 were taken over by Divya, Yasmin and Fatima equally. You please go through the value of furniture. It is 2,60,000. They were taken that item equally. So whenever they are taking items, it will be transferred and we have to transfer the realized value because it is less than the book value. And also creditor of 7,000 not recorded. It will be debited in the revaluation account. At the time of Aditya's admission, Yasmin also brought additional capital. So Yasmin brought additional capital. It will be recorded in the capital account. Her capital account, additional capital. Plant and machinery are revalued at 2 lakh. What is the actual value of plant and machinery? 1,80,000. So there will be 20,000 increase in the value. So it will be credited in the revaluation account. Expenses outstanding were brought down to 9,000. Already, what is the expenses outstanding? 10,000. You have to remember it is a liability. Its value brought down means present value is 9,000. So we can say 1,000 of liability decreased. It will be credited in the revaluation. So dear students, we have to look at the revaluation account to know about what is the changes happen. So amount of machinery increased to 20,000. Outstanding expenses decreased, the liability decreased, 1,000 is decreased. Also creditors 7,000. And remember, there is no adjustment regarding the furniture taken over by the partners because it will be adjusted. 2,60,000 is the book value. It will be taken over by the partners at 2,40,000 equally. So remember, it will be recorded in capital account. So nothing else, we have to calculate the total 21,000. So the account total will be 21,000. When we deduct the 7,000, we will get 14,000. It will be shared by the partners in their old ratio. 7,700, 4,900 and 1,400. We have to prepare the capital account next. But before that, we have to calculate the value of goodwill of the firm by taking the last 2 years profit with the purchase price of 2.5. Remember, from that value we have to calculate the share of newly admitted partner, share of goodwill of the newly admitted partner. So the goodwill will be calculated for the firm first. 2 lakh plus 6 lakh divided by 2, we will get into 2.5, we will get 10 lakh. And Aditya's share of goodwill is equal to 10 lakh into her share 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So remember, we will get 2 lakh. It will be shared by the older partners in their sacrificing ratio. We have to move to the preparation of capital account. So first we will write the opening balances of their capital from the old balance sheet. Then we will write by bank for Yasmin her additional capital and Aditya fresh capital introduced admission time. Yasmin brought fresh capital 50,000, Aditya's capital 4,50,000. There is an item in the old balance sheet. Liability side we must transfer it, a reserve fund. It will be shared between, it is an accumulated profit, will be shared between old partners. So remember that it will be shared by the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. And also the goodwill brought by new partner will be 22 lakh will be shared by old partners in their ratio. Revaluation profit we have to record here. And one thing you have to remember in the additional information, the furniture worth 2,60,000 is taken over by the 3 partners at a value of 2,40,000 and it will be shared by 3 partners equally. So remember that 2,40,000 we have to consideration. We have to give consideration for 2,40,000 and it will be shared by partners equally 80,000, 80,000, 80,000. After that, please find out the total of each partner. Deduct the amount of furniture from debit side. We will get the balance 5,97,200, 3,76,400, 5,50,400, and what is brought by the new partner 4,50,000. So we have to prepare the balance sheet next, but it's for the calculation of the total value of bank balance. We have to prepare. I am suggesting we have to prepare on bank account. It will bring actual balance. Okay, that we have to record in the new balance sheet. So we are writing the opening balance of bank from the old balance sheet. This amount we have to take cash at bank 1,59,000, and also we are taking Aditya's capital. You know very well the entry for the capital brought by the new partner. Bank or cash account added to new partner's capital and new premium for goodwill. So the capital amount 4,50,000. Also the amount of premium for goodwill brought by the new partner, it is calculated 2 lakh. Every time whenever the partner is bringing goodwill in cash, we have to add with the value of cash or bank. Also there is an additional capital brought by Yasmin. That amount 50,000 is also taken. Please remember that. That brings the total value of bank in the closing balance sheet 8,59,000. Please look at this balance sheet. It is recorded here cash at bank 8,59,000. And the factory building, what is happening? As per the adjustments, if there is any change for these values, Please look at the revaluation. Yes, there is no change for that factory building, but change for machinery that we have to add. So no change for factory building. It is directly noted from balance sheet, and plant and machinery value increases from 1,80,000 plus 20,000. We will get 2 lakh. Furniture, there is a remaining amount because 2 lakh out of 2 lakh 60, 2 lakh 40 is taken by the partners. So remaining amount of furniture is 20,000. Stock value we have noted 1 lakh 45,000. Also debtors, there is a new provision, it will be deducted. Old provisions, it's not a new provision, it's an old provision available in the question. It will be deducted directly noted 1 lakh 20,000. And creditors value 77,000. Public deposit did not change for that value, 1,19,000. Outstanding expenses, it is decreased, 1,000 amount decreased, 9,000. Also, we have to write the balances in the capital account. Total amount is here, and we have to find out the total of balance sheet, 20,79,000. 20,79,000. So please go through the problem again. You will get a holistic idea regarding the total adjustment, how we have to record it, in which account, which side. That is very important for the board exam. So please remember that. We are moving to the last problem from the preparation of final account for admission of a partner. Here, a small problem. Shashi and Ashu Shari are partners. They are partners sharing profits in 3:2. They admitting a new partner. At that time, their balance sheet debtors 20,000 and less their provision 1,000. We will get 21,000. Land and building 18. Plant and machinery 12,000. Stock 11,000. Bank 21,000. Creditors here. Here the creditors amount is what? Creditors amount we have to note 18,000. Creditors amount 18,000. Reserve 25,000. The fund 15,000. Capital for partner 15 and Ashu 10. So from this we have to learn what are the different additional information. They admitted Tanya as a new partner for 1/6 share. Provision for doubtful debt increased by 1,500. What is the increased by means? Again it is increased. Already there is 1,000. So we have to consider that item because liability increased. Value of land and building is increased 21,000 to increase 21,000 means land and building is 18,000 and it is increased to 21,000. So 3,000 increase. Value of stock is also increased by 2,500. So the total increase is 2,500. Liability of workman compensation fund is there. Liability of workman compensation fund. Already there is a workman compensation fund of 15,000 and the liability is 12,000. So remaining 3,000 will be shared by the old partners in their old ratio. You know very well, whenever these type of items are there, first we have to pay the liability from the reserve or fund. So 15,000 amount is there, 12,000 is the liability. That amount of liability will be paid and I adjust after the remaining amount 3,000 will be shared by the old partners. Tanya brought a goodwill 10,000 and also capital 15,000. So please remember the important points related to the adjustment. First of all, we will prepare the revaluation account. So the amount of land and building increased 3,000. Stock also increased 2,500. Provision increased. The liability increased 1,500. And the remaining amount of profit 4,000 is shared by the old partners. Revaluation profit is for Shashi what 2,400 and Ashu 1,600. Please remember here 1,500 for provision again increased. So the new provision will be 2,500 and also the new values of land and building and stock you have to remember. Then we are preparing the balance capital account first. There we are writing the old balance of partners, 15,000 and 10,000. There is a general reserve in the question. There is a general reserve 25,000. This amount will be shared by all the partners in their old profit sharing ratio, 2:1. So what is that? 15,000 and 10,000. Workman compensation reserve, 3,000 is shared by the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. This amount is related to revaluation. It is shared by the old partners, directly it is mentioned. And by bank, the capital brought by new partner, by premium for goodwill, that shows the 10,000 shared by the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. So nothing else. The balance we have to calculate, it will be 40,200 for Shashi and Ashu 26,800, and there will be no change for Tanya. So dear students, this is the preparation of capital account. One additional adjustment is related to workman compensation. Please remember that. After claim, if there is any amount remaining, that only will be shared by the older partners. And there is no adjustment related to general reserve. That is why it is directly shared here. Okay. And we are going to the preparation of balance sheet. Debtors actual value 22,000. We will deduct the provision also, because we have to adjust that amount. We will get the amount 19,000. Land and building, the increased value 21,000. Plant and machinery 12,000, increased value. Stock, also the bank will also increase, you know very well. The old balance of bank plus new partners capital plus goodwill. Creditors, there is no change. Workman compensation fund, there's a liability, because 12,000 is a new liability. It must be shown there. The liability we are adjusting from fund, we have to show it here. And capital of Shashi 40,200, Ashu 26,800, and Tanya 15,000. Please remember all these adjustments, and we will get the total of 1,12,000. So dear students, please do this problem at home. Then only we will get the clear idea regarding how to prepare the final accounts. So very important area for the board exams. Definitely one choice question will be from admission of a partner. I hope you got the new pattern of question. Please go through that also. There is also a choice question for 8 marks. One is from admission and another is from the retirement and death of a partner. Sometimes it will vary, but definitely there will be a question from admission of a partner. Hope this video is very useful for you. And if there is any doubts regarding this, please ask in the question, and we will do more problems. Please do the problem by using your textbook also. Then only you can enrich your knowledge. So thank you for your patient listening. Thank you so much.